Good day guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdurraqib Bejira and I am the first reporter with the topic of Who Am I, a philosophical journey to discovering the self. The questions Who Am I is one of the hardest and the deepest questions in philosophy from ancient times up to today. Humans have been searching for meaning, identity, and purpose. This journey is not just about asking who we are but also examining our true natures, essence, and existence. This report, Who Am I? A philosophical journey to discovering the true self, it explores how philosophers and thinkers try to answer these timeless questions and how it connects to our own lives. Why it matters. Philosophy pushes us to ask, am I just a body? May mangyari ba after death? Or ako ba talaga ang nagkokontrol sa sarili ko? Ang point is, mas malalim pa doon ang pagkatao natin kaysa nakikita lang kasi natin. Dumako naman tayo guys sa tatlong philosophers na sila Socrates, Plato, and Augustine. So, si Socrates, know thyself, ay philosophers mula Athens. So, actually, wala siyang naisulat na libro, kaya lahat ng alam natin tungkol sa kanya ay galing lamang sa kanyang estudyante, lalo na si Plato. So, si Socrates ay famous siya sa Socratic method dahil mahilig siyang magtanong at paulit-ulit ka nang i-challenge hanggang sa ma-realize mo sa sarili mo na kulang ang alam mo. So, para sa kanya, ang the greatest life task is self-examination dahil sabi niya, an examined life is not worth living. So, ang point niya is, we must reflect or mag-focus sa self-examination, magtanong para at kilalanin ang sarili natin para may alam or maging wise. Plato, he believed that the soul is eternal. Plato was a student of Socrates. Siya ang nagtatag ng the academy, ang first school in the world. So, he believed ang tao ay binubuo ng dalawa, body and soul. Ang body ay temporary, nagbabago and galing sa material na mundo. Ang soul ay eternal, hindi nagbabago and galing sa world of ideas or forms. So, para sa kanya, ang true self is the soul kasi ito yung may kakayahang makakita ng eternal truth like justice, goodness, and beauty. So, ang lesson kay Plato is don't be trapped by appearance, look deeper into the soul. So, kaya ito, lesson, seek eternal truth. Augustine, the self and God. So, Augustine, early life, wild, later Christian thinker. So, Augustine was born in North Africa. Bata pa lang siya, wild at hindi religyoso. Pero kalaunan, nagbalik loob at naging isa sa pinakadakilang Christian philosopher. So, self, soul, and God. So, Augustine agreed with Plato na ang tao ay composed ng dalawa, body and soul. Dagdag pa niya, ang soul ay ang mas mahalaga kasi ito ay konektado sa Diyos. Humans are restless until with God. So, para kay Augustine, ang tao ay restless, may kulang hanggat hindi siya bumabalik sa Diyos. True self, connected to Creator. So, para kay Augustine, hindi mo makilala ang para makilala mo ang sarili mo or makilala mo ang sarili mo, kailangan mo muna makilala ang naglikha sa'yo. So guys, ang journey ng question na Who Am I ay hindi lang para sa mga philosophers, kundi para rin sa atin. Sabi nga ni Socrates, examine your life. Sabi ni Plato, look beyond the body, focus on the soul. Sabi ni Augustine, you will only find true rest of your life when you return to God. So, maybe the better question at the end of the day is not just who am I, but also who am I become. Thank you.